it's Beatty. Today I have a classic smoky eyes look for you. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm going to start off with a pore filling primer. And you just want to smooth this in places where you have large pores. Now I'm using a full coverage foundation. I'm going to do some pinpoint concealing with a smaller brush. Now I'm going to add some under eye concealer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use two from the Morphe palette. So I'm using this one and this one. So the fluffy brush, I'm going to apply the lighter color all over my eyelid. Up to the socket line. And also, if you have hooded eyes, it's good to look straight ahead in the mirror. And if you need to add a bit more higher, you can do that too. And smoky eyes is classically matte, but if you want to use shimmery eyeshadows, you could as well. Now I'm going to take the darker eyeshadow on the tip of my brush and add it to the corner. I'm grabbing a clean, fluffy brush and I'm just going to make sure that all the edges here on the top and on the side are nice and blended. Now I'm going to take a Kohl eyeliner pencil and just very messily line the top. Just making sure that the pencil goes in between the eyelashes. But it doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to smudge it. Also, you need to add it right in the corner and on the top. Also, I'm going to add a tiny bit to the bottom, just a few dots and strokes. It can be very messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm taking a pencil brush with a darker eyeshadow and I'm just going to smudge that eyeliner. Also, you want to add your Kohl liner to your bottom waterline. Alright, so now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply plenty of black mascara. I'm not going to add any lashes because I think with smoky eyes, messy mascara looks best, and if we add some lashes, it might look too perfect. And I think the key to successful smoky eyes is to make it look a little bit imperfect. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with a pencil and I want them quite natural, so just a couple of strokes where I need it. Also, I'm going to add some eyebrow gel. You could refresh your concealing, but I think it all looks best when it's a little bit messy, so I'm just going to powder the T-zone. I'm going to powder under my eyes as well because otherwise all this Kohl pencil could run down further, which we don't want. And I am going to add slight contouring with NARS bronzer, NARS Casino, which is matte. I'm going to add some highlight just on the top of the cheek. I'm also going to add a touch of matte blush. Now you could just add a lip gloss and you could be done, but I think for a smoky eye you would usually wear it in the evening, so I will add some lip liner to correct my lip shape a little bit. So for classic smoky eyes, you don't really want shimmer on your lips, but I think a glossy texture looks very nice with this matte eye that we have. So I'm going to be using a lipstick that is a little bit shiny. Also, it's easier to wear it throughout the evening. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.